Hello, Eagles. It's Mother Eagle here. How is everybody doing? Okay, today I'm reading for you this poem, Allow. And Allow was inspired by the idea that there is more happening than what we can perceive on the surface or what we can see on the surface. So, there are many more factors that are happening all around us. And since we are connected, one element will affect you in some way or another. So with that said, I I came up with allow, and let's go ahead and read. Allow is the word of the season. Nature has a natural rhythm unfolding in the most amazing ways. Allow the effortless expression of what life is supposed to be. Allow the unfamiliar to become norm. Allow new experiences to enter your life. There is a divine truth at play, unfolding the miraculous wonders of your life, showing you the unseen in the expression of sin. Allow the divine power and divine forces to drive your life as a rudder of the ship, sailing with the wind of grace towards a peaceful, joyful, healthy, and satisfying life. Allow, let go, detach, become an open channel, a witness to others on how extraordinary a blessed life can be. Allow. Well, as you can see, allow the divine process to take heed, and also you will know when it's your time to act, perform, be part of, but not all things are necessary for your participation, or not everything is urgent or as important as most people think. No, not at all. But as you allow the divine process to unfold, you you usually know naturally what to do next and where to go next. As always, it's Keroy. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.